In this video, you'll learn how to make a simple table in Notion without creating a database. First, type /table into the page. A list of options will appear, including table, table view database, and table of contents. It's important to select the first option, table, because that creates a basic table, not a database. Once the table is added, you can click into any cell to type your content. You can add new rows or columns by hovering near the edges of the table and clicking the plus icon. This gives you a simple and clean layout, perfect for organizing information without extra database features. If you select Table View by accident, it will create a full database, which is better suited for advanced use. For quick notes, lists, or structured text, the basic table is usually the best option. This is a fast and effective way to create tables inside Notion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.